water, earth, fire, air. Long ago, the four nations lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the Avatar, master of all four elements, could stop them. But when the world needed him most, he vanished. 100 years passed and my brother and I discovered the new Avatar. And although his airbending skills are great, he has a lot to learn before he's ready to save anyone. But I believe the new Avatar can save the world.
Mag-diet pa ako, super laki niya pa rin. Kailangan nila masalang panty.
Gusto niyo bang magkapera kahit nasa bahay lang kayo? Download niyo lang itong Diamond Game pero bago yan mag-register muna kayo. Maglagay lang kayo ng phone number, password at verification code. Pagkatapos niyo mag-register, meron agad kayong free coins at meron din silang daily bonus. Kung gusto niyo mag-cash in guys, click niyo lang itong wallet at pwede kayo mag-cash in dito ng 100 hanggang 30,000. Marami din silang games na pagpipilian gaya na lang ng slots, Dragon vs Tiger, Mines, Color Game at marami pang iba. So ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Mines, sobrang dali lang laruin nito guys, kailangan mo lang iwasan mapili yung bomba para manalo ka. Oo nga pala guys, pwede ka manalo dito kahit wala kang nilalabas na pera kaya ilalagay ko sa comment section yung link ng game para masubukan nyo din itong game. O diba sobrang dali lang manalo? At kapag malaki na yung panalo nyo at gusto nyo ito i-withdraw, click nyo lang itong withdraw, pwede nyo i-link ang inyong Paymaya at Gcash. At pagkatapos yung mag-fill up guys, ilagay nyo lang ang amount na gusto nyo i-withdraw at ano pang hinihintay nyo, i-download nyo na ang Diamond Game para sabay-sabay tayo mag-enjoy at manalo.